Hi there, this is James from Social Intents. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Microsoft Teams chat to your Shopify store. In our case, we want to be able to answer live chat requests right from Microsoft Teams. So we're going to add our app called Live Chat for Teams, which allows you to answer the chats from Teams, Slack, WebEx, or Zoom. So the first step is to go to your Shopify dashboard and click on the apps link in the left sidebar. Then you can search on our application, which is Live Chat for Teams, and this will open up the Shopify App Store. Now, at this point, you can click on the Live Chat for Teams, which is our application, and choose Add App. Once you do this, you'll see an install screen that you just have to click Install App. This will authorize our application to be added to Shopify. So at this point, the application is added. We've created a trial account in Social Intents for your live chat. And then here's where you can set up the Microsoft Teams integration. So simply click on the Integrations tab, choose Microsoft Teams, and click Add to Teams. This will typically open up the Teams desktop, or if you're on the web, you can open up the Teams web version. You'll be prompted to add to a team and channel. And once you do that, you'll see that you've added a live chat tab within Teams. So this is an application that runs within Teams that you can answer the chats that are initiated from Shopify. So if we go back to your Shopify account and view the online store, we'll see that there's been a live chat tab or button added to your Shopify store. So this is the live chat that can be customized. You can customize the logo, the images, the colors, the text, your pre-sales information, any information that essentially is visible on the client side, you can customize. And you can do that either right in your dashboard within Social Intents, or you can also do that within Teams when you go to the left sidebar and choose uh, the Teams application. You would simply just sign in here, and at that point, you can customize the chat settings as needed. So for more information and additional videos, you can visit us at www.socialintents.com. Thanks.